Hello everybody, this is Sarah from Flippany, and today we're going to go over the daily meal record form just so everybody knows the exact correct way to fill it out, and we will all be doing it correctly. So here at the top you put your site name, so I'll put my imaginary site again, Food Inc. Site supervisor is whoever is the assigned site supervisor, so I'll put my own name. And then there are 2 meals on each sheet. So if my first meal is lunch, I'll circle lunch, and if my second meal is PM snack, I'll circle that. So at the top here, we just want to put the date, whatever the date is. And so we get lunch delivered and served on the same day. It's a little different if you do breakfast, but I'll show that in a moment. But lunch is delivered and served on the same day. So say the delivery man comes with his delivery ticket at 9:05 in the morning, so we circle AM. And you serve lunch at 12. Okay, so number of meals delivered. This will be on your delivery ticket. It will be the number of units of each meal that the delivery man delivered to you. So let's say that I get 100 lunches. Lunch is a hot meal, so it cannot be leftover. So lunches will always be 0 leftovers. So that would mean my total meals available is 100. Now this little section is where it gets a little confusing for people. This form is split up into classrooms. However, you don't have to split it up into classrooms. You can just do all of your children and just put it on one blank. However, if you prefer to split it up by classroom, if it's easier for you, you can go ahead and do that, and we will tally up the totals for you. But let's say that that day only one person was missing and I served 99 children that day. And I served 0 second meals because people used the share table. Now, this box, numbers of second meals, has been confusing a lot of people, so we just want to explain it. There cannot be more than 2% of your total meals. Mine is 100. It can't be more than 2% used as second meals. So that means that I can only have 2 second meals. And it gets confusing when it says no more than 5 meals, but please don't think of it in that terms. Think of it as no more than 2% of your total number. So I can only have 2, but that day I decided to use 0 second meals. I didn't think it would be fair to give one kid a second meal and not another kid, so we used the share table and I had 0 second meals. All right, so now we move on down to PM snack. And it was delivered at the exact same time as lunch because things get delivered at the same time. So we put 9:05 a.m. again, put the date, and we served it at 3 p.m. And once again, I got 100 delivered. I had maybe 0 left over, and then it was 100 again. And let's say that I served 99 again because there were 99 students and 0. And then always remember to sign and date at the bottom. So sign my name. So there you go. This is a completed sheet. And I have another one to show you. Just nice and clean sheet, everything in the right place. And the only thing that's a little different is that if you have breakfast, your meal was received the day before because breakfast is always delivered one day early, so you don't have to be frantic in the morning. So if you serve breakfast, make sure that the date is the day before, and then your lunch at the bottom is the same date. So that can get a little confusing, but once that's done, you fill out one of these each day to keep you on track, and then you send the week in to us so we have all of your daily forms. So if you have any questions, just call us at the office. Thank you so much. Bye.